Hey guys, it's Christine.
Hi guys.
And Corey from Cook's Rod Shop. Hey, just wanting to have you guys tag along with us. We are going down to the 56th annual O'Reilly Auto Rod and Custom Car Show. It's one of the first car shows that they've had in our area, and so a bunch of us are getting together and gonna ride down and see what all they have. And
a friend of mine is unveiling a car that he just built, and he's been building cars longer than I've been around, and so I'm really wanting to go down and check this car out. So hopefully I will talk to him, and if he doesn't mind, we will show you some pictures of the car he's unveiling. And so come along with us, guys.
all right, we'll post what we can when we can. Alright guys, we found who we were looking for. He gave us permission to film. And here's a group of our friends.
Hey, that's okay.
Look at this.
They'll buy here, and they're going to see that, and they'll be like, well, who's that? Look at that.